welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Luis Fonsi here with a new song called Dolce. So this one would be a shorty. It's only one chord progression with 4 chords, and that will go round and round through the entire song with one strumming pattern. Nice and easy. So let's start right away. We need to set our capo on the 4th fret, match up the sound with great chords, and let's go over the chords. So the first one will be F sharp minor, like that. So you put a bar on the 2nd fret, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. Next chord will be D sus2. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. Third chord is A sus2. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be E sus4. So it's open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. And that is the chord progression through the entire song. F sharp, D sus2, A sus2, and E sus4. Now we have the first chord with F sharp minor, and we need to look at the strumming pattern. So let's grab that chord first. And one strumming round will sound like this. Okay, and that's it. So it's down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. All right. So this one goes a bit faster than that, so it will be something like this for a couple of rounds. Down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. And so on. So finally, how do we handle the chords? You will play 4 strumming rounds for each and every chord. So F sharp 4, D sus4, A sus4, and E sus4, of course, since that is in the name. So 4 strumming rounds for each chord. Let's go for a couple of rounds. So that pretty much covers Luis Fonsi's Dolce. So good luck with this one, guys. I really hope to see you soon. I hope you will come back to me and learn some great songs. So thank you for watching and play tuned.